Welcome to Discover Agriculture channel. Today, we'll explore how to construct an efficient pig farm shed, providing comfort for the animals while keeping your costs low. Plans for the pig farm shed. It doesn't have to be expensive to build a shed for a pig farm. By using cost-effective materials and smart design, you can create a sturdy and comfortable shelter for your pigs. Construction strategy. The key to constructing a low-budget pig shed lies in strategic planning. Choose easily maintained materials such as locally sourced wood or corrugated metal. In order to keep the pigs in a healthy environment, adequate ventilation is essential, and a lean-to design can reduce expenses. Cost-effective materials. Recycled materials like discarded pallets or repurposed roofing can significantly reduce expenses without compromising quality. With some creativity, these materials can be transformed into functional components of the shed. Tips on design and layout. Efficient layout planning is essential. Create a practical layout that allows easy access for cleaning and maintenance. Consider proper drainage and waste management to ensure a clean and hygienic environment. Environmental adaptability. The shed should be adaptable to different weather conditions. Adequate insulation and shade in summer and protection from cold winds in winter are crucial for the pig's well-being. Safety considerations. Ensure the structure is sturdy and complies with safety standards. Always prioritize the pig's safety and comfort while keeping the budget in check. Conclusion. Constructing a pig farm shed on a low budget requires planning, creativity, and a touch of ingenuity. By combining these elements, you can create a cost-effective yet reliable shelter for your pigs. Thank you for watching. Please like and share the video with your friends. And subscribe to Discover Agriculture channel.